BYD's growth is not just happening in China. In the UK alone, BYD reached over 51,000 registrations in 2025. In the same year in Europe, it moved ahead of Tesla on pure EV registrations. Which means for garages here in the UK, BYD is becoming a real workshop brand, not just one in the headlines. In this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about BYD OEM Diagnostics. We'll walk you through the official setup, portal access, the hardware, the software, update behaviours and what's included with the kit. Why BYD? Well, if you're a workshop that's already seeing EVs come through the door, then BYD is one you've got to keep an eye on. Right now the focus is on BYD itself, but Denza, the premium brand of BYD, is going to be part of the future European rollout. And if you want to be able to work on these vehicles properly, keep all the work in-house, not just do the basics, you need to understand the official setup and how to access the OEM diagnostics. Registration and access. Now, the starting point is the BYD service portal. This is where workshops register their accounts, manage their software access, and download the official diagnostic applications. Now, to register, here are the things you're going to need. Full company name, country or region, VAT number, company email address, office or workshop photos, and any contact info. As with a lot of OEM systems, access may vary depending on your market or distributor network. Approval is not usually instant, so you should expect it to take a few business days, depending on documentation and verification process. So onto the tooling itself. The official hardware is the VDS 2100 and the VDCI 3.0. The unit is supplied on an Android tablet, so unlike with other OE platforms, you won't need a separate laptop. This is helpful in itself because it makes it a neater, self-contained package in your workshop. The kit also comes with the connections you'd expect. A standard OBD cable and a high-speed communications cable needed for more advanced diagnostics work. Since it's an OE setup, it's designed to support modern communication protocols, including CAN, CAN-FD and DOIP, what you'd expect on modern EV vehicles. So that's the hardware sorted. Now onto the software. Unlike with other OE brands, where you'll have to spend some time setting up the software, loading it onto your machine, this comes preloaded, so it's all ready to go. The core functions of the software include guided diagnostics, fault code reading and clearing, ECU coding and programming, software updates, calibration procedures, and technical documentation access. Software updates are released regularly to support new models and ongoing software changes. Because the tablet works online, updates can be carried out easily and as often as needed. There's also an optional upgrade for 360 calibration mats, priced at £600. So if you're a workshop that does ADAS and has the floor space, that's something else you can look at. Licensing and costs. One big plus point about the BYD kit is that it comes with 3-year software subscription, and that means no additional programming costs for that period. When it comes to software and portal access, there's also a few things to consider. Depending on your region and vehicle, functions may differ, and in some areas there might be additional requirements for EV safety around high voltage work. So as always with OEM tooling and setup, it's important to check your market. So who is this setup for, and what should your next steps be? For garages here in the UK, Europe and around the world, it's about being ready for the number of BYD vehicles that are now flooding the market. If your workshop wants to offer proper BYD diagnostics capability, whether that be coding, programming, calibrations, software updates, then this is the official route. And that can be a real advantage if you want to build confidence with customers and become known as the garage that can deal with BYD vehicles properly. You've made it to the end of the video. If you would like more information on the BYD tool or to make your purchase, head to maverickdiagnostics.com.